So we're here at the Cirencester Amphitheatre with the entire cast. It's been really nice to get out in the fresh air. Everyone's got a bit loopy because we've been stuck inside all day.
It's kind of like Spindlewood.
Days can turn to weeks and still I'll keep this moment held forever, living in my heart. Though we may part, I think I know. Winter, wind and snow and seasons going further from the lightning. When I miss the sun, I'll think of this. Winter, wind and snow and seasons going thunder from the lightning. When I miss the sun, I'll think of you. To you, stand and raise a glass. Come and see the Clockmaker's Daughter at the Bingham Hall, Cirencester, from the 13th to the 15th of August. Yay!
Great, that's brilliant. Anything else we need?